Hey friends, Amanda here with Healthy Hydration, and we are going to be talking about the differences between the Hydra FX today, a supplement, and then the standard tabs you can buy on Amazon that you put in water. So the first thing is that we've had people do this. They message in saying, I put the tab in the water and nothing happened. I'm like, well, first thing is definitely read the directions because it says right here, put it in the body with water. Now, this is giving your microbiome, your gut, everything that it needs to make its own molecular hydrogen. So it's helping to strengthen the gut microbiome and a large, large production of hydrogen. So when you have the tab, there's a few things here that you want to watch for is that when you do it, you're going to notice, whoop, there it goes. Look at that, molecular hydrogen. Now, a lot of the gas is going to get off-gassed because it's going into the environment. So it's a downfall. The second thing is that when you take it in, it doesn't add to, it's just giving your body more. So it's not helping your gut make the hydrogen. And it only is active in your body about an hour as opposed to 6 hours with the supplement. On top of that, there's no taste. You're not consuming a taste here, you're just swallowing it, right? So you're going to absolutely love the new Hydra FX. It is backed by the world's #1 professor, who is Professor Oda, who discovered in a microscope 20 years ago and founded molecular hydrogen, looking at the mitochondria of the cell. We got a webinar with him. We'll put the link up here somewhere. You can check it out. This is a phenomenal product. For me, what I've noticed is gas, bloating, weight. Oh my gosh. I feel like I can almost eat anything with these things. And I don't know if it's this or the water or my metabolism, but I will tell you we've had story after story after story with people losing weight with this product, especially around the midsection and the lower stomach, probably because stress, cortisol, the belly fat hormone. So when you lower cortisol, oh, my belly doesn't there anymore. Oh, nice. So check it out for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Go order yourself a sample or two. Go to Healthy Hydration and consume it and let me know what you like best. Cheers, friends. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, and turning on that bell.